Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alex here, and today I want to talk to you guys about a very important topic, and that is the protection and security of your personal data. And it's especially important when it comes to our phones because we pretty much have our entire lives on our phones, and it can be very scary when this data becomes compromised or somebody gets a hold of our data. And one very easy and common way that we can make our data vulnerable to being stolen is when we give our phones to repair shops if we need to fix anything, because a lot of times these repair shops need access to our phones, so they'll need our password and they might be working on them for hours. So you might just leave your phone with them and you don't know what they're doing with your phones. And there has actually been a study that came out that said that a lot of these technicians go snooping through the personal data on their customer's phone. Now, thankfully, Samsung has an absolutely amazing feature that can mitigate this issue and keep your data safe if you need to hand your phone over to somebody else for repairs or maintenance or any other purpose. And this feature is called maintenance mode. Now, to access it, what you need to do is go into your phone settings, scroll down to battery and device care, and then all the way down at the bottom you'll see an option here that says maintenance mode. So if we go into here, you can see what it says is maintenance mode protects your privacy while someone else is using your phone, such as when you're sending it in for repairs. In maintenance mode, your personal data including pictures, messages, and accounts can't be accessed. Only the pre-installed apps are available. So essentially what this will do is create a separate profile that will only have the core apps of the phone. So the person who's repairing your phone will not have access to any of your personal data or your gallery or anything that you don't want them to see. And a really nice feature that Samsung included in here is the ability to back up your data. So before you actually go into maintenance mode and give your phone to somebody else, you should absolutely back up all of your data just in case anything happens and your phone gets wiped or you lose any of your data. You can always create a backup and then restore it later. But once you're ready, all you need to do is tap turn on maintenance mode and then restart your phone. And what it's going to do is create a separate profile. So this can take a few minutes. What it's going to do is create a separate profile for you that's going to exclude any of your personal data and only have the core apps that the technician will need to fix your phone. Alright guys, so there we have it. Our phone has restarted and we are now in maintenance mode, and all we need to do is swipe up to open our phone. And did you see we didn't even need our password to log into maintenance mode? So that means when the technician takes our phone, we do not need to give them our password so that they can unlock the phone. So if it ever locks on them, they just need to swipe up, the phone will be unlocked. So be sure you do not give them your PIN or password, because if you do, they will be able to get out of maintenance mode and access all of your data on your actual real profile. But there you go guys, we are now in maintenance mode. You can see it says it right there, and we are back to a very stock and basic feeling version of our phone. You can see even our wallpaper is gone and all of the apps in here are very basic. There is nothing in here with any of our data. Even if you go to the gallery, none of your pictures are here, none of your personal data is here. So you can safely hand your phone over to the technician and know that your data is completely safe and there is no way for them to get any of your personal files. But the technician will still have access to everything they need to fix your phone. And once your phone is fixed and they hand it back to you, to get out of maintenance mode, just swipe down, tap on the maintenance mode right there, tap exit, and then restart your phone. And you can see it's going to ask you to verify your identity. So you can use your PIN, your fingerprint, or your face unlock to get out of maintenance mode. So again, be sure you do not give your PIN to the maintenance technician because they can use it to exit maintenance mode. But once you're done, just authenticate and then it will restart your phone and give you back your full profile with access to all of your original data and pretty much everything else on your phone. All right, so there you have it. Our phone has restarted. Now, if we just unlock our phone, you can see that everything is starting to load up and we are back to our actual profile. We have our wallpaper and all of our applications, our gallery, and all of our data is safe and sound, and our phone is repaired and we are good to go. So there you go guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for future videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.